Pinagtatawanan kami. Yan! Ice cream! Ay, dahan! Long boys. Eating ice cream. We're walking long walk. Long walk. Ito yung matanda.
Magkatawa na nga tayo.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Sorry?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah. Australia.
You should buy just from that shop there.
Next year we going to Australia.
Sorry?
Next year we going Australia.
Yeah, good.
This year we going London.
How much
Next
do
year.
I charge you for that?
30.
30?
Yeah.
30?
Yeah.
Not bad.
We are like child.
What do you study?